Today, we're taking you behind the scenes, inside one of Indonesia's most well-known bus garages PO Haryanto. This is where every journey begins, long before passengers step on board. Behind these garage doors, skilled technicians work every day to inspect, repair, maintain, and assemble buses that travel thousands of kilometers across Indonesia. As you can see, several Mercedes-Benz buses are at different stages of maintenance. Some are receiving mechanical inspections, others are being serviced to keep their engines running smoothly, while a few are still under assembly before returning to the road. One of the most interesting sights is the variety of beautiful bus liveries, from the famous Wayang artwork to modern color combinations. Every bus has its own unique identity. These designs are not only attractive but also represent the pride and professionalism of PO Haryanto. Maintaining a fleet of long-distance coaches requires teamwork, precision, and attention to detail. Every engine check, every paint job, and every inspection helps ensure that passengers can travel safely and comfortably. In this video, you'll get an exclusive look at the daily activities inside the garage, including buses under repair, buses being prepared for service, and several impressive Mercedes-Benz coaches waiting for their next journey. If you're passionate about buses, transportation, and behind-the-scenes operations, you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this exclusive tour inside the PO Haryanto garage. Welcome back to AI Factory World Today. We are watching a beautiful PO Haryanto Mercedes-Benz OH 1626 Euro 4-bus arriving at the garage to pick up passengers. This modern coach is known for its reliable performance, comfortable ride, and elegant appearance. As the bus slowly enters the pickup area, passengers prepare for another exciting journey across Indonesia. The professional driver carefully positions the bus while ensuring everyone's safety. Every departure begins with careful preparation, making each trip smoother and more enjoyable. The Mercedes-Benz 1626 Euro 4 chassis is trusted for its efficiency and dependable performance on long-distance routes. Watching this calm moment before departure gives us a closer look at the daily operation of one of Indonesia's favorite bus companies. Take a closer look at this stunning blue PO Haryanto Mercedes OH 1626 Euro 4-bus, featuring an eye-catching Wayang-inspired livery. The beautiful artwork reflects Indonesia's rich cultural heritage while giving the coach a unique and elegant appearance. As the bus waits at the garage, every detail of its clean design and premium finish stands out beautifully. PO Haryanto is well known for maintaining attractive buses that combine modern engineering with artistic style. This impressive coach is ready to provide passengers with a safe and comfortable journey. Bus enthusiasts always enjoy spotting special liveries like this because they make every trip more memorable. after picking up passengers. This beautiful PO Haryanto Mercedes-Benz €1,626 4 bus makes one final stop before departure. The crew carefully checks all travel, documents, and ensures every passenger is ready for a safe journey. These final preparations are an important part of every successful trip. Once everything is confirmed, the driver starts the engine and the bus is ready to leave the garage. Today's route connects Kudus, Central Java, to Jakarta, one of the busiest intercity travel corridors in Indonesia. Powered by the reliable Mercedes-Benz €1,626 4 chassis, this coach is designed to provide a smooth, safe, and comfortable ride for every passenger. Moments like these highlight the professionalism and dedication behind every departure. Today, we're taking a look inside the PO Haryanto garage, where several Mercedes-Benz buses are undergoing maintenance, repairs, and assembly. This busy workshop is where experienced technicians work carefully to keep the fleet in excellent condition. Every inspection, repair, and replacement is an important part of ensuring safe and reliable journeys for passengers. From mechanical maintenance to bodywork preparation, every detail receives professional attention. Behind every comfortable trip is a dedicated team working hard to keep these buses ready for the road. Watching this process gives us a rare look at what happens behind the scenes before a bus returns to service. Here, we can see a beautiful PO Haryanto Mercedes-Benz O1626 Jet Bus 3 featuring an impressive purple Wayang livery. Today, this elegant coach is receiving engine maintenance inside the garage. Regular servicing is essential to keep long-distance buses operating safely and efficiently. Skilled mechanics carefully inspect important components to ensure the bus is ready for its next journey. The combination of a stunning traditional-inspired design and reliable Mercedes-Benz engineering makes this coach stand out among Indonesia's bus fleet. Proper maintenance helps deliver a smooth, safe, and comfortable travel experience for every passenger. Today, we are looking at 4 PO Haryanto Mercedes-Benz buses inside the garage, each at a different stage of repair and preparation. One of them has just received its base coat of paints, marking an important step before the final finish is applied. Every stage of restoration requires precision, patience, and skilled craftsmanship. These maintenance activities help keep the fleet looking professional while maintaining high safety standards. Seeing multiple buses being worked on at the same time shows the continuous effort behind one of the well-known bus operators. Inside the PO Haryanto garage, we can see a beautiful white Mercedes OH1626 bus decorated with a traditional Wayang livery. Nearby, another bus is still under assembly and has not yet received its engine. This gives us an interesting look at different stages of bus preparation, from nearly completed coaches to vehicles still being built. Every bus goes through careful assembly and inspection before entering service. These behind-the-scenes moments reveal the hard work required to create safe, reliable, and comfortable transportation for passengers across Indonesia.